Hey there! For more financial education, like and subscribe. Thank you. Have you ever stopped and wondered how banks really work? I mean, the system can feel mysterious, confusing, even a little intimidating. But here's a secret. It didn't start out that way. Banking was actually meant to make life simpler. Let's rewind all the way back to 11th century Italy. Back then, trade was booming. Merchants from across Europe were meeting in cities like Pisa, Florence and Venice to buy and sell goods. But there was one huge problem: too many currencies. In Pisa, for example, merchants had to deal with 7 different types of coins. And every time they made a deal, they had to exchange their money. Imagine trying to do that today. Chaos, right? So merchants came up with a clever solution. They started sitting on outdoor benches, or bancos in Italian, to exchange money. And yes, that's exactly where the word bank comes from. But it didn't stop there. These early bankers started doing more than just exchanging coins. They began holding deposits, lending money, issuing early versions of credit notes. By the 15th century, families like the Medici were running huge banking networks across Europe. They financed kings, funded wars, even helped build cathedrals, all through smart bookkeeping and trust. Banking had become the backbone of society. Now, fast forward to today. The banking system has grown massive. There are over 30,000 banks worldwide holding tens of trillions of dollars in assets. The top 10 alone manage around 25 trillion. That's more money than many countries make in a year. So, what do banks actually do with all that money? At its core, banking is about managing risk and moving money. Here's the simple version. You deposit money in a bank. You earn a little interest. The bank lends that money to others at a higher interest rate. That difference. That's how the bank makes money. It's a bit of a balancing act. Some borrowers might not pay back their loans. That's the risk. But overall, this system helps the economy keep moving. It lets people buy homes, grow businesses, and fund industries. And banks don't just lend money. They also make income from credit cards, currency trading, wealth management, cash and investment services. But here's the catch. Not everything about modern banking is smooth sailing. Back in the 2000s, many big banks chased quick profits through complex financial products. They were gambling with our money, and when the 2008 financial crisis hit, millions of people lost jobs, homes, and savings. Banks like Lehman Brothers collapsed, markets crashed, and governments had to step in with massive bailouts to stop the system from falling apart. After that, new rules were introduced, like requiring banks to keep emergency funds, but change has been slow. The good news? Alternatives are popping up. Take credit unions, for example. These are community-based banks where members are owners. Instead of chasing profit, credit unions focus on helping members buy homes, start small businesses, and invest in their communities. That's why credit unions survived the 2008 crisis much better than traditional banks. Then there's crowdfunding, platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. They let thousands of small investors fund projects directly. You can help bring a new tech gadget, a video game, or a startup to life, and spread out the risk while doing it. And don't forget microloans, tiny loans that help people in developing countries start businesses, buy tools, or escape poverty. What started small has now become a multi-billion-dollar movement. So yes, the banking system might seem confusing, but it all started with a simple idea: making trade and life easier. Today, banks, credit unions, crowdfunding, and microfinance are all part of the financial world, giving people and businesses the funds they need to grow. And the best part? The future of banking isn't set in stone. How it evolves and who it serves is something we get to decide. But as we look to the future, we must consider the possibilities. Innovations like blockchain technology are reshaping the landscape of finance, offering transparent and secure transactions that could revolutionize how banks operate. Imagine a world where you can send money across the globe instantly, without relying on traditional banking hours or hefty fees. The potential is vast, and this new era may empower individuals more than ever before. As we embrace these advancements, we also need to reflect on financial literacy, ensuring that everyone understands how to navigate this evolving landscape. Educational programs can help demystify banking and finance, allowing people from all backgrounds to make informed decisions. When individuals know their choices, they can better leverage the tools available to them. This empowerment can lead to healthier financial habits, opening doors to opportunities previously thought unreachable. Furthermore, a more financially savvy society can support sustainable practices across the economy, fostering growth that benefits everyone. Balancing innovation and education will be essential in shaping a more inclusive financial future. As we continue to explore how technology shapes the banking world, we must also acknowledge the importance of regulatory frameworks. Strong policies are needed to adapt to these innovations, ensuring stability while fostering growth. Collaboration between governments, banks, and tech companies will be crucial in crafting guidelines that protect consumers without stifling innovation. By working together, we can create an environment where both traditional and modern banking coexist harmoniously. This approach promises to enhance competition, improve services, and ultimately lead to a more resilient financial system. In this evolving narrative, we all play significant roles, shaping our financial future one decision at a time. Innovation in banking sparks new debates about privacy and security. As technology advances, concerns arise regarding data protection. Safeguarding sensitive information must remain a top priority. Individuals want to trust that their financial data is secure from fraud and misuse. This creates a need for continuous improvement in cybersecurity measures, ensuring that the benefits of digital banking do not come at the cost of personal security. Moreover, as we move toward more automated systems, the risk of algorithmic bias also comes into play, potentially leading to inequality in loan approvals or banking services. Navigating these complexities requires not just technological advances, but an ethical framework prioritizing fairness and transparency in financial practices. Thus, engaging in discussions around these challenges will be vital as we respond to the ever-changing needs of consumers in this financial landscape. As we navigate this transformative era in banking, sustainability becomes increasingly important. Financial institutions are beginning to recognize the impact of their investments on the environment and society. By prioritizing sustainable financing and responsible investing, banks can contribute to combating climate change and supporting ethical business practices. Imagine a future where your bank actively invests in green technologies, renewable energy projects, and companies committed to social responsibility. This shift not only aligns with global sustainability goals, but also attracts environmentally conscious customers who seek to make a positive impact with their financial decisions. Adopting such initiatives fosters a business model that values not just profit, but also the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants. As we look toward this promising future, the collective effort of individuals, businesses, educators, and regulators will be paramount. Ultimately, the evolution of banking and finance will hinge on our shared vision, prioritizing accessibility, security, and inclusivity. Embracing collaboration can help us harness the full potential of financial innovations, ensuring that equity and opportunity remain at the forefront of this transformation. Banking is poised to evolve into a system that reflects our values and aspirations, shaping a brighter tomorrow for generations to come. Ultimately, by fostering an environment that emphasizes education, collaboration, and ethical practices, we have the opportunity to craft a banking system that not only serves our immediate needs, but also paves the way for a sustainable future. As we move forward, let's remember that the evolution of banking is a journey we embark on together, where every decision contributes to a more equitable financial landscape. As we reflect on the path that banking has traveled, it's clear that we stand at a crossroads. The decisions we make today about financial technology and policies will set the stage for the banking of tomorrow. By engaging in thoughtful dialogue and action, we can create a financial system that not only meets our current needs, but anticipates future challenges. Our collective commitment to innovation, education, and ethical practices can transform the way banking serves society, making it a true ally in our quest for a better financial future. Together, we can shape a banking landscape that promotes prosperity, inclusivity, and sustainability for all. The evolution of banking invites us to imagine alternative futures, particularly in tough economic landscapes. By exploring decentralized finance opportunities, individuals can engage with financial services in innovative ways that bypass traditional structures. Digital currencies and peer-to-peer lending platforms can make funding more accessible, allowing communities to thrive without heavy dependence on established institutions. We must embrace these changes with a forward-looking mindset, ensuring that financial systems adapt to serve diverse needs while promoting resilience and empowerment for all. This era redefines our relationship with money, pushing boundaries and expanding possibilities. Together, we can create a banking system that not only meets our current needs, but also equips future generations with the tools and knowledge to thrive in an ever-evolving financial landscape. The journey of banking continues, emphasizing trust, responsibility, and inclusivity at every turn, paving the way for a brighter tomorrow.